Darwinbox Payroll Overview. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to give you the overview of Darwinbox Payroll. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Darwinbox Global Payroll is designed to make payroll processing unified, error-free, and simplified. It follows a four-step framework that enables 100% online payroll management, ensuring accuracy and compliance. With a unified system for HR, workforce management, and payroll, any updates to employee attributes such as location, band, or grade are automatically reflected in payroll calculations. Darwinbox provides the flexibility to initiate payroll at custom frequencies for any employee group. It allows finance, HR, and payroll approvers to collaborate within a single system, digitizing approvals and audits with embedded chat and checklists. You can manage multi country payroll with complete control over data, processes, and costs. Payroll costs and variations can be analyzed quickly, allowing businesses to adapt to market changes. Compliance is ensured with automatic legislative updates and expert input, while data security is maintained with ISO 27001 and role based access controls. For employees working outside supported regions, the global platform and partner network enable seamless international payments. Self-service features enhance employee experience, offering benefits enrollment, payslip access, quick query resolution, and payroll transparency. With Darwinbox Payroll, errors are minimized, risks are mitigated, employee satisfaction is increased, and your business becomes more efficient. So that's all for this video.